Tēnā tātou katoa, ko Tiria Waitai tōku ingoa, he uri au no Rongowhakaata no ngai tūhoi hoki. Kei konei tātou, kei te kura o Manutuke, ko mātou tēnei e whakanui ana i tō tātou nei reo, e hāpai ake nei te kaupapa o te wiki o te reo Māori. So today we are celebrating our Maoriness, we are celebrating our language, te reo Māori, and so what we're doing is we've broken off into our whare, which just happen to be our marae, pāhau, ōhako, whakatō e Manutuke, our marae of Rongowhakaata, and our tamariki have been split into the groups and they have a few challenges ahead of them. So challenge one is for them to come up with a flag which best represents their whare or their marae, and also they have to come up with a chant, all in te reo Māori. And the second challenge is an individual challenge where each tamaiti has to create their own ārai waha, their own face covering. Well, in true fashion, our tamariki have created a chant which celebrates who we are, te marae o pāhau, but it's also a bit of a wero to our other marae, our other whare, Manutuke, ōhako and whakatō marae. So basically we're putting a bit of a challenge out to them to see if they can rise to the same level as our whānau.